There he is, having a little giggle over there. So today we are off to Dunelm and IKEA. It's the start of our moving kind of journey. I'm going to be moving out of my current flat and I'm going to be moving in with this one over here. Bit of a crazy time because I'm actually having to go away during that whole period, and so is Davey. He's going on a ship and I'm going to Tenerife just for a work visit, so it's all going to be absolutely crazy. This one's having to move me out of my current flat. It's all just a bit nuts. But yeah, today we are off and we are going to have a little look at some furniture because the current place that we're about to move into is unfurnished. So we need to get a bed, we need to get a wardrobe, because by the time I get back we're literally going to have nothing and I'm going to be moving into an empty flat. So I'm a bit excited because there's something exciting about home. Are you excited about getting a bed? Yeah. We need to get, we've decided that I think getting a good decent bed is key, and well, I mean getting all of it is key, but we don't just want to go for anything just for convenience and because of price. We want to make sure that it's going to be right for us. So yeah, I'm excited for getting some bits and bobs. So I thought I'd bring you on this journey and I'm going to literally vlog the whole thing. So today and tomorrow, this is bank holiday weekend. So yeah, we've just got a little bit of shopping to do and then I'm literally going out the country, and so is this one. So yeah, we're at a race against time to get a bed. That's the priority, I think, to begin with. So yeah, I'm going to take you with us and I'll see you soon. So we've already had our first bicker.
We haven't had a bicker. I just want a decent kettle, not a plastic kettle.
And my view with this is we already have loads. He's out. We already have multiple little bits of like furniture and bits and pieces, and we have a kettle and he wants an extra kettle. But we are currently here at our first destination, Dunelm. Now I've had this decent furniture in for good prices, so we're gonna go and see what's about, aren't we, Egg? Woo! Woo!
I'm thinking like one of these sort of kettles, you know, like decent. Like you like your rose gold, well, I like this sort of rose gold.
Pretty.
Kettle. Yeah,
I quite enjoy it. And so are these toasters, however, they're just not priority. Oh my gosh.
Do a whisk as well.
I have to say though, that is actually really pretty.
No, it's not a priority, we can't get it.
Ooh, he'd be burning. Look at these pretty rugs down there. Right, we're just determining mattresses and whether they're decent. Any good? Is it memory foam? That's what he's like in bed, ladies and gentlemen. He's a wiggler.
I like it. It's a good one.
Actually, it's not that bad, is it? It's quite good. That's alright. What do you think? Potential?
Potential. Go on, give a little bounce on it a little bit.
Like a... Look how nice this bed is. I've fallen in love. I feel like I found the bed that I want. What do you think?
I'm going to call my dad.
Why?
See if he knows how big the room was.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. Right, okay, so we have just literally been on a little bit of a crazy mission. We just went and saw a load of different beds. There's quite a few that seemed really lovely. The one that I love the most though is the most expensive, of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? But I think we found a mattress that we quite like. This one had a field day. Having a little bob having a little bob on all the mattresses, and we've just had a quickie sneaky little stop off at McDonald's because why not? It has to be done. We're just going to go to the range now and then we're going to go to IKEA, and yeah, I think we've got a good idea of little bits that we like. It's just, I think today is the hunting and finding, and then tomorrow will be the buying. So it's good. It's good. It's happening. Anyway, on to the next couple of shops. Oh, cute. Oh, I love a showroom. There he is. He chilling. Are you having a bit of a crash?
Yeah, it's a shoe.
Oh,
It's coffee.
cute. Oh, I just want a walk-in wardrobe. How lovely. Look how nice this looks. Oh, I want a walk-in wardrobe. Can I get a walk-in wardrobe?
No.
Okay. Bed. What is he doing? What are you doing? Are you just chilling? Is it comfy? It's actually quite a nice one. Just leave you there. Right guys, we had a successful IKEA trip. We've seen bits that we want and we got a bin. Hello everyone. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a confession. Filming this video right now, I've kind of like jumped forward 2 weeks. It's all been a little bit odd. The last thing you probably saw was me and Davey like going out and about like hunting for some furniture. We literally managed to get a bin and a desk. That's pretty much it. And then straight after that I had to pack and I had to come out to Tenerife. And this is where I currently am right now. My work needed me to come out here and cover and do my old job as an entertainment manager, and it's been absolutely amazing. The guys here are just fantastic. I've had a really, really good time. I've still had to do kind of like some of my work like on top of it, so it's been a little bit stressful, I'm not gonna lie. And also Davey's had to move all of my stuff out the old flat and into the new flat. So currently I'm into a new flat and I didn't move any of my stuff, he did it all for me, so thank you so much, my little egg, for doing that. If you're watching this. But yeah, so I feel a bit guilty, but at the same time obviously this needs to be done. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. I didn't pretty much film any of it simply because it's work and I just can't do that. But if I could show you I would, because it's absolutely incredible. The shows are amazing, the team are amazing. I did however go to Loro Parque. Now I know that this is a little bit controversial, but whilst I was there, the zoo, it's like a massive zoo for those of you that don't know it, and it has various different wildlife. It's absolutely incredible. But the speeches they gave, I did like a behind the scenes tour. They really look like they take care of all the animals, and that obviously was really, really good to see, because I guess we're all skeptical. But yeah, so I've got a little bit of footage, so I'm going to show you that now. And yeah, just a few like sneaky clips, because I thought, you know what, while I'm here I might as well just show you. And then probably the next time you see me, this is like a crazy vlog over the space of like a month, I feel. I'm gonna obviously go back home and then you'll see what we've done with the house. And at the moment there's not a lot. I've literally got a mattress, so yeah, I'm gonna be obviously setting that up, so I'm gonna still take you with me. It's currently like 9:15 in the morning and I'm literally just about to go back to the airport and catch a flight home. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you here. I've absolutely loved this place, it's amazing. I'm really gonna miss it, I'm gonna miss the team. But yeah, it's time to go home and get moved in. I'm so excited. I didn't realise like I would be this excited about it, but yeah, I am. So yeah, I'm gonna take you with me and I will see you all soon. Just before I do, look how cute this little apartment is. It's just like, it's kind of cute. There's me in the mirror, hey hey hey. And then yeah, you've got the bathroom in there, and then as you can see I'm just packing all my stuff up over there, but it's real cute. So yeah, I will see you all when I get back to England. everybody, I am now finally here in my new flat, and oh my gosh, already it feels like I'm at home. It feels so good. Davey, bless him, has done so much to the flat already. He's not currently here, I'm just waiting for him to get back, but yeah, it feels like home already, and I am loving it. I'm so happy. I am literally so tired. That last bit of footage that I filmed in Tenerife, I look back at it and I look shattered. So yeah, I finally caught up on a bit of sleep. Today we are going to be going off to get our wardrobe, and tomorrow our bed finally arrives. So yeah, I'm so excited for it. Literally over the last couple of weeks, aesthetics isn't really a big deal to Davey, but to me it really is. So yeah, I literally had to think about it over the last couple of weeks, and we finally made our decision. So you will see shortly what we picked. Right, this is what we're going to go for, I think. That is our little wardrobe, and that's the inside of it. Oh, it looks pretty. This is the current situation right now. We have literally picked up our wardrobe, and I'm so squished, it's unreal. And
show on the boot.
And that is the current boot going on. That is our wardrobe. I'm so excited for it though, that's if it lasts. And the boot at the back is currently open and it's being held up by a little bit of string. So yeah, that's our current reality, and oh, let's just hope we get it in one piece. I really hope so, because it's really nice. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's gonna be good. It's gonna look awesome. Let's just hope we can get it back and that it doesn't kind of fall out the back. Over. Yeah. This is currently what is going on. Daddy, are you happy with the bed?
At least on my hair.
Oh, are you happy with the bed?
Alright.
Very. We got it from Next. Ooh, what's it gonna look like? Ooh. Yay. Nice and velvety. So that is what it's gonna look like. It wasn't exactly the base we wanted, but it was the only one we could pretty much afford, so that's just what we've gone for. When you don't have a tin opener,
gotta use a Swiss Army knife.
Swiss Army knife. Don't try this at home, kids. What the hell? Are you being serious? If you chop your little finger off.
Why would you chop your finger off?
Please don't.
Bubs, this is a tin opener.
Is it?
This is how they used to. This is how they used to open tins before they had things.
Is it?
Yep.
Ooh. And our bed up. I have to say, Davey's been absolutely amazing living all the heavy stuff, but it's finally done. We have got a couple of bedside drawers as well, and we've got a few drawers which we're just in the process of putting up. You'll see in a little minute, so I'm just going to quickly show you the finished result. So there you go. As you can see, that is the wardrobe right there. It's hard to kind of see because obviously it's just like got mirrored front, but there's 5 of them. I have to say that I actually filled the majority of them simply because I've got a lot of stuff. So that's just one. Ignore the shoes at the bottom. I've still got my rail up there, and yeah, I've got that one over there and then that little one there. So that is the wardrobe. And then that is the bed. I'm so glad we decided to wait for one that we actually both wanted, and it's a super king size, so yeah, none of the sleeping problems have been going on. It's literally just solved it, but an absolute godsend, and I love it. It's just ridiculously pretty. Well, there you go, guys. That was the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, big apologies that this video literally has been over the space of about a month. It's just been a crazy time, but we are both super happy that we have moved in together and that this is our first home. We absolutely love it here. Like I said, I'm probably going to do a flat tour at some point, so that's why you haven't seen too much of the flat just yet. If you do want to see that, do let me know down in the comment section below. Once again, guys, I hope you're all well, fine and dandy. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time with my next video. See you later, everyone.